To replace the battery, first we need to take out the key at the bottom. Press and hold this button at the bottom and pull out the key. Once the key is out, now we'll keep the button portion at the bottom and the logo portion at the top. Use this screwdriver and then punch in that slot to pull out the cover. There it is, cover is out. Right there is our battery. Notice there is one more spot right there. Gently place the screwdriver and then pull out the battery. There it is. That is how we take out the battery for this remote, and it is a CR2450 type battery. My battery is good. I'll install it back, but if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, just make sure the plus sign stays at the top and it's slided all the way inside remote just like that. Then press it down. There it is, battery is completely in. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this cover. Just make sure the cover goes on top all the way. Then press down from both sides. It seems in from both sides. Now we'll go ahead and slide in the key. The key portion goes inside this right here. And with that, we are done with the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.